Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today, as you can tell from the title, this will be my vlog to Jamaica. So right now I just got done getting ready. I'm about to show you guys my outfit in a minute, but it's 11 o'clock right now. My flight is at 2:45 and boarding is around like 1:45 p.m. so I'm gonna be out of here by around like 12. So I'm about to just go to the deli real quick, get me a little sandwich, and then after that, it should be time to where I could just call my Lyft and then head to the airport. So please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. Guys, my outfit, please excuse my dusty Ugg slides, but I got this graphic tee. This is a graphic tee from Shein, and these jeans are from Urban Outfitters. I forgot how much I got these both for, but I'm not gonna be wearing these. I might put on some white Air Forces with this. And yeah, I just got my hair in a half up, half down, and that's really it. So stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. Guys, I'm about to board my flight soon, so I'm gonna show you guys. This is my hoodie from my brand. I'm excited about the board, so keep watching. Back. I haven't even been keeping up with the recordings and stuff, but right now we're at Richmond Cove. It's really nice here. I'm gonna show you guys right now. I'm up into the car. So far, all we went to an underwater cave, and I started panicking. I'm panicking, and like I couldn't even get in the cave because I thought I was gonna drown. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are Rizmaaa.c. They have a underwater cave supposedly, so we're about to go there. You have a nice view.
Nice man. Chilling on the riverside.
Yeah.
Big time. To the riverside, chilling on the riverside.
Catch water.
You come down here and come to the water. Yeah, Jamaica.
So guys, right now we are at the bar ground. Say hi. This is Deja. This is Becky.
So for 2022, I could say that just gonna give thanks each day. We don't have no expectations, no high hopes. Just giving thanks and being happy every day. You don't really need no more than that. Bones out. One tree, one tree. All of the all life when I live in America. Spend time with the Rasta and show the country life. What about the expensive life? What about the country life?
Take me a walk. Take me a walk.
Boy, take me a woman with a blood clot charisma. Cause you rate her. Me don't rate her. I enjoy it. I fucking want some grease. Fucking drive, girl. Blood.
Yesterday with them margarita.
Reggae Falls. I came here with my dad's friend and whatnot. So right now, just got to Reggae Falls. It's really hot. It's probably like 80 degrees right now. So soon go for a swim. Right now I'm just chilling on the rock. I'm gonna show you guys my bathing suit. Alright, so got this little two-piece set, Shein guys. Cop your bathing suits. Aman is a clown, that's why she's 10 years old.
Enjoy yourself?
Yeah.